Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you like what is the fake and original, the Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Cleanser, so for you to know if you actually bought the normal one or new. So the first thing is that slightly difference of font and insides of the front tube. No expiration at the date upper back, different placement of information barcode lower back. So let's just look here. This is going to be this is the original 50 milliliters, 150 is not. Now, maybe what you're going to sense here, look at here. Do you see? Just check the font here. Primarily, the font is going to be different. The original one is not that hard. Then also different font right here. It's smaller, not that big. And even this here. Do you see the difference here? So the fonts are different between these two. And this is the real one. Real. This is the first thing. Now when you're going to go further, you're going to have, this is like Cosrx original and this is not. So again, they can like really vary. So primarily look on the barcode in the back. So when you're going to have it in a barcode, it should be like this primarily, not like this. And then you're going to have all these symbols here, like order and things like that. Like it shouldn't be here on the left side. It should be right here. So definitely check it out. And also the expiration date. Definitely check the expiration date on top. That's something that you want to check also. So I just want to make this quick video for you. I hope it gave you a little bit of value. Is that the font should it's going to be different. You can even check it by original side where you order it, how it looks from the back, or check when people are like showing the product, the real one, how it actually looks, and when they are showcasing it, even some videos, how it looks from the back when they're like reading ingredients. And you can check it also by yourself, that where they have the barcode and where you have it. Right? So this is the original barcode, should be like this and this, not like this on the right side and then on the left. This is the fake. So hope this video gave you a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.